In this video, we're going to discuss payroll exports in HZCare. So let's say we just posted through February 9th, and now we'd like to run payroll for the week of February 3rd through February 9th. Well, normally that would be as simple as going to the reports section, selecting the report that corresponds to your payroll software, running the report, and exporting a CSV that you can upload into your payroll software. But if this is your first time doing a payroll export in HZCare, there's a couple things you'll need to do first. First of all, you need to set a company code in the admin section. We'll go to admin, branches, and select your branch. Now, a lot of payroll softwares will have a company code that you need to set for your export to work correctly. ADP is one of them, and you'll just get that company code from your payroll software. If it uses one, it might not, but if it does, we'll enter that here. We'll put in tutorial, hit save. All right, and now we're going to go to the caregiver section, and we need to make sure the payroll IDs on all of our caregivers match whatever they are in your payroll software. So I'm going to click on the first one here. And there's a payroll ID box, and let's say in our payroll software this caregiver has ID number 1. I'm going to enter that here. I'm going to hit save, and that's going to help the data match up when we do our export. And I've already entered the payroll ID for everybody else. So now it's time to go to reports. Click on accounting, and let's say we're doing ADP. Pay frequency weekly. We're interested in that week of February 3rd through February 9th. It's going to default to the most recent week in that box. I'm going to run the report. And here we go. We can see that company code that we entered earlier. Here are all the employee IDs. We've got a mix of regular and overtime hours, as well as all the other columns that are required for doing the payroll export. And so we need that in a CSV, so I'm going to click Export. And I'm going to name the CSV file whatever I like, save it to a convenient location, and it's saved. I don't need to open it right now. I'm going to take that file and I'm going to upload it into my payroll software. All right, well, that's all there is for payroll in HZCare. Have a good one.